Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, hi, hello, how are you? How awesome to see you. My name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out my absolute favorite mothership of all the motherships, the Divine Rose 2. And being a fan of the motherships, I feel that we should really go ahead and just use them. Use them as an everyday thing to make our life a little bit more colorful and get the best out of them, because we paid a lot of money for these awesome palettes. So why only use them when we have a special occasion to attend to or whatever? Every day can be a special occasion. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, then please keep watching because I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you remember to pull out your motherships on a daily basis, then put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. I want to say that I'm sorry about the background noise. I had to have my purifier on because it's so warm. So you can also see my glasses are kind of fogging up because it's really warm. So sorry for that, but I think it's time to go ahead and do some makeup. So shall we? Gonna start with a highlighting shade on my flat definer brush, and I'm gonna put that here under my brow bone. It has a little bit of a pink undertone, but it's not that crazy. By the way, I'm not wearing any base on my eye area. I'm just wearing the foundation that I have on. I dipped my Blender Pro into the pink color. And this is the first palette that Pat McGrath called an artistry palette. And it's because there are some pigments in here. And normally when there are pigments in an eyeshadow palette, you are not supposed to call it an eyeshadow palette because of the way the pigments can stain your skin. You're not allowed to call it an eyeshadow palette because it's not intended for eyes. Well, that's what they say, but it's on your own, what do you call that? It's your own responsibility if you choose to do like I do here and put it on the eye area with the risk of staining. I don't feel it's that much with these kind of shadows or pigments, but yeah, sure it can stain. I want a little bit more, so I dipped the same Builder Pro into the same color, the pink one. And I'm just gonna mainly focus it here in the crease and go back and forth. I dip my ring finger into the lightest special shade, and I'm just gonna pat that on here on my mobile eyelid. I put a drop of Duraline mixing medium on my hand, and then I dip my brush into the duochrome shade, and I'm just mixing it on my hand here, as you can see, and then I am just going to use that as an eyeliner. I'm just going to dip into the shadow mix here one more time, and then gonna go back into it. I'm just gonna try and move here to see if you can see the shift, because right now in the mirror I cannot see the shift in the shadow at all. It's a bit funny about the shift, because if I put my hand up here, you can totally see the shift. dipped into the darker metallic color with my flat definer, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner here under my eye. And I'm just going to go all the way in here, and then I'm going to blend it out a little bit. And here is the first look with a little bit of mascara on. I'm not going to put on false lashes because I want to keep this a little bit subtle. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. Going to start it the same way with a highlighter under my brow here with my flat definer brush. Dip my Blender Pro into the blush color, and I'm gonna put that here. Oh, that was a little much. I am just gonna brush off some color from my brush. I'm gonna try and see if I can blend it out. Wish me luck. No, I think I can do it. So now with nothing on, I'm just gonna blend and blend and blend away. This might be an elevated day look. Well, might end up like that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's working, but I wanted it to be a little bit more soft than it is now. I put on too much. It was too pigmented. That's what happens sometimes. I really want to try to tone it down a little bit, so I dip my Blender Pro into my powder, my eye blurring powder, and I'm just gonna mix it into the eyeshadow, and you can see it lightened it up and made it a little less colorful. Dip my Builder Pro into the lighter metallic. I think it's called Eleganza. I'm not sure, but it's a beautiful color. And I'm putting it here on, actually I'm going to put it all over my mobile eyelid. I'm just going to really get it in there. Same color, this time on my soft definer brush, and I'm going to use the color as an eyeliner under my eye here. Whoops, I have a little bit of fallout here, but that's okay, I can remove that. I want to amp it up just a little bit, so I dip my ring finger into the bronzy copper shade, and I'm just going to put that here on the middle of the lid, like so. Gonna give this eye a highlighter, so I dipped into the highlighting shade that I used under my brow, and I'm going to use it in the inner corner here just to lighten it up a little bit. Put on a little bit of mascara, and this is what it looks like so far. I did not put any eyeliner on. I just wanted to stay soft and day friendly. I'm now gonna zoom you out so you can see the two different looks with a full face of makeup. And this is what it looks like with a full face of makeup. On my face I am wearing the House Labs foundation in 160, and on my cheeks I am wearing the legendary something Color Bomb, the blush from Pat McGrath Labs in the color Fluoro Cheek. And on my lips I am wearing the Divine Rose Liquilust lipstick. I'm gonna amp it up with the duochrome eyeshadow, or the multichrome eyeshadow, like so. So now we have something interesting going on here, and now I'm going to put on a little bit of gloss. I'm going to use the Earth Angel gloss. Like so. And now I suddenly amped up to today looks even more. Well, I couldn't help myself, sorry. But these are my two different takes on two subtle day-friendly eye looks using the Divine Rose 2, the Mothership VIII. For some, this might be a little bit too much. For others, it's just fine. You do you. I'm just trying to inspire. I'm not telling you to do exactly what I do. You don't need to do that, of course. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you also remember to pull out your motherships for a day-friendly subtle look, maybe more subtle than mine, then please let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It will be so awesome to have you join. Now I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of the day to watch this video, and I hope your day will be absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.